guys, basically we're in the garden right now, and I'm in the garden. We've left the garden out, like we haven't cleaned it or anything in like a long time, so all the stuff have grown, as you can see, especially over there. My mom's there, but yeah, I'm gonna try covering my mom. We're gonna get rid of the weed over there because my mom's planted like tomatoes and stuff, so yeah, we have to like get rid of them.
So guys, I'm gonna do hoovering on the stairs, and yeah, maybe the sofa. Hopefully.
Hey guys, welcome to my section of the video. If I'm a mess, I don't think I'm a mess, but if I am, then sorry.
Recording.
I realize I keep forgetting to tell you. But I'm recording on my phone. My phone has really bad like audio quality. I don't know. It's very muffled. I don't think it's in the title, but what I'm going to be doing today is, if you're an OG, you know what PSP is. I don't know why my shirt looks like that. Basically, we found the charger to my, I haven't used the PSP in a long time. I realized why. So basically what happened was, a few months ago, I found the charger of the PSP, and then I charged it and everything, I turned it on, and then the X button of the PSP doesn't work, so I can't really play anything. I'm gonna try fixing that because Kajeevan has started fixing stuff, as you saw in the PSP, in the PS4 video. We fixed the fan and everything, so the PS is on right now, but you can't hear it. That's how much of a difference it made. And he also like fixed the PS4 controllers, like the controller, the analog stick sometimes drift. So if you know what that means, I don't know, but it just starts drifting. You can't really play games. This one is still messed up, but the red controller is calm. He fixed that. So I'm gonna try to be a Kajeevan. I'm gonna try to fix the PSP. Let's see what's. I'm guessing there's dust on the X. I'm guessing there's dust on the whole thing, inside the whole thing. But yeah, so something to do with dust. I think that's why the X button doesn't work. But yeah, let's go. I'll show you the PSP and everything. So yeah, hopefully this video isn't too long. Kaushin's gonna be hoovering, as you would see in this video. He'll be hoovering, so I'll probably have to talk louder than that. And yeah, hopefully this video is not too long because we've got 3 different stuff. I'm gonna be helping with the tree anyway. But yeah, let me show you the PSP.
Alright guys, so now I hope the ice cream truck noise isn't copyright or something. Bro, we made a we reacted to Volume Nanga Mari. I'm swinging around the saw like nothing, but yeah, and it got blocked twice. It takes so long to upload, and then it gets blocked. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go there and get a stick from the tree because we're like standing up the plants.
And also, sorry about the dusty TV stand. You have to, yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, look at this. Okay, this is the PSP, nice. This is the PSP. Again, sorry for the dusty mess and everything, but yeah, this is PSP itself is dusty. Look at this. We need to clean that up. Do you think baby vibes will damage it? I don't know. I don't think it will damage the outside. So I'm just gonna use that, clean it, and then yeah, it's orange because it's charging. And on camera, my nails are disgusting. Sorry about that. I don't know why it's like a bright orange on camera, but in real life it's actually like a dark orange. But anyway, yeah, let me go and get some tissues and baby wipes to clean this baby. Bam! So we got baby wipes. Lemon probably will smell nice with the. PSP. Oh my god! Sorry about that. That wasn't fake, but I actually fell back. But yeah, Wilkinson's shoe and the PSP. I'm also gonna be listening to some music in the background just to help. I don't know. But whenever I start recording, I'm gonna pause it. So, but yeah, let me get the PSP. Actually, the PS controller. Let's see the PSP out. Charge. Boom. Let's start. Oh yeah, the PSP's state. The angles of the camera is bad as well. Sorry about that. But look at this. I'm trying focusing. I can't see the beauty makeup artist thing, but yeah, I'd sellotape it up because this thing fell out. I was gonna buy a new PSP, but I realized how like vintage is, so it would be very expensive. So I just thought instead of buying a new one, just try fixing it for one. I'm a lazy guy. I don't really like fixing things, but I could change. This could be a big thing into it. I just realized this mess in the background. That's from the washing line. Sorry about that. I don't know why you watch our videos. Our videos are a mess. Sorry about that, but I promise we'll try to get better. Okay, but yeah. Actually, I don't know what this. I remember that the disc thing is broken as well. I don't know why. I fixed it somehow. I don't know. But if you're an OG, you would remember these as well. This one is GTA Vice City Stories OG game. Which way do I put in? Must be this way, right? Yeah, has to be. But yeah, I might get a new sellotape and the sellotape is back. Make it look better. But let's first start with cleaning this.
And also enjoy my hoovering, and yeah, enjoy the video as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, but riding in cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my boot. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
This is how it looks like now. I'll show you. This is the front of it. I'll clean the front and show you. But yeah, this is how it looks like now.
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. God knows stress, I've been through all that. I'm like, man, so I kick on back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't no more.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Just found a stick. I stripped it accidentally, but yeah, I can't actually end up cutting myself. I'm actually bleeding, but who cares?
Ignore the tabs. But yeah, I just realized we need to like, so I had to go and get Kajeevan's screwdriver set and also tweezers because there's some sticker thing that you see anyway. But I mean, you won't see. I'm gonna do it on myself. Like, I'm not gonna record this. It'll be too long. But yeah, after I might watch this video, fixing, cleaning broken PSP thing, and yeah, we'll see where we can go from there.
Right guys, we just put the sticks for the plants. I'm gonna move the camera off. I'm gonna wash my hands first.
72 hours later.
I'm gonna put the camera that way so I can see. Hopefully you guys can see properly, because this position here, the only thing you can see is my butt, and I don't like it as well. So hope this part is better. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Put the camera there. The thing you can see is the blank wall, so I had to change it to another place. But sorry guys for looking up to see what I look. So guys, but looking up at my butt, and I know it's disgusting, but don't look at it. Just don't. Sorry.
Okay guys, right now I'm just gonna go pick up all of the stuff over there.
guys, now I'm hoping. I hope you guys enjoyed me moving the staircase.
I've just opened it up and look at this disgusting, man. What is that? I've never come this far. But yeah, this might even work. But I'm just gonna let me just take it out. I was meant to take the screw out. So look, this goes in like this, right? Look, I've ripped it. I was meant to take the I'm a dumbass, man. It is what it is, but yeah, so we'll go apart now. Look how dirty it is. I need to clean this up. I've cleaned this and everything, but the thing is, I need to buy a new one of these. So look, I need to buy a new one of these things. If you're a techie, you will know, but I'm not a techie, but apparently I need to buy one of these. So I'm gonna buy a new one and fix it, because I thought there was a problem with this, but it's not. When I turned it on, I'm gonna do it again because that was very long, and look at the flipping whatever. Yeah, when I press this is the X button. When I press it, it doesn't work. There's this actual circuit thing, or I don't know what the technical term is, but it's this thing. So I need to buy one on eBay or something and replace it.
Oh, okay, it's dry.
Alright guys, that's the side stuff done. Now we just have to work on this.
The order's placed, but yeah, that is ordered, coming by 11th of August. I don't know if it will actually come, because they said they only accept PayPal or payback card, but we'll see. We're getting email if there's any problems. But yeah, we have to do this another day, fortunately. We need to keep the screws safe. But yeah, so it looks like. Sucks, I have to leave it like this, but yeah.
Guys, you need to fix the camera later.
What camera?
The camera inside.
Oh.
I can't fix it properly. The angle's weird. Mate, it's wasting storage. Taking so much storage when you do this.
உள்ளுக்குள்ள மோதி பாரு லெஃப்ட் வந்த வாங்க போற ரைட் போன வீங்க போற மொத்த கொத்த நாடம் ரெடி ஒண்ணு வெச்ச தாங்க மட்டும் ஓட போற தனிக்க போற உள்ளுக்குள்ள நடக்க போற வந்து பாரு இது முக சேட்ட நிக்காண்டு பரட்டு வெங்கத்துக்கு சமனா ஓகே நிகழ்த்து உன்னோட சிறுபில மட்டமான மொக்க சின்ன விகன மறுபடியும் கிளம்பு வந்து முடிவு கிளம்பு எஃபெக்ட் கூட மக்கள் நான் தாண்டா ராஜா கெட்டு பாரு மஜிக போட மாஜா
Sorry to see my butt cracking up. Just
And mine.
என்னோட தாடி மிஸ் ஸ்வெட் சம கெத்து தலைவனாய் வக்கிறவனானு ஒத்து சொல்லு பங்காளி வந்தானி ஒரு வச்சு சம வச்சு அதை விட்டு follow me you know me come get me ஒத்த வச்சு சிங்க போறடா.
Alright guys, we're done with the sides. I'm tired because I was trying to break the wood. But yeah, I've done the plants over there. Let's go show you them. As you can see, I forgot to take a before picture, but like that. And then you can see at the bottom, there's no stuff. And then, yeah, over here, there's nothing. We've taken it out. And also down there, there's nothing there. So yeah, we're gonna move. So So yeah, this tripod is actually a good, like you can hold it around and stuff. But yeah, now we're gonna work on the tree. But we're waiting for Karthi because he's fixing the PSP apparently. I don't know why, but apparently that's more important than this. No bruv, it's too loud. We're chopping the tree. We're chopping that stuff and it's so loud. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, we'll get back to you when Karthi comes for the tree. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm very tired. I feel like fainting. I'm gonna drink some water.
Bangali, Vandani, follow me, you know me, come get me.
But anyways guys, don't worry, we're not cutting down the tree, like we're not making it gone.
You're that rich.
We're just
for that.
What? Are you dumb? I could have easily done it at Rithushaan's house.
Yeah.
We just had no time. But we're not gonna cut that tree down as well because, you know, in remembrance of Vivek, actor Vivek, he was on a mission to like plant trees. Like how much was it? 1 million. 10 million basically. 1 crore. And yeah, we're not gonna destroy his dreams by removing the tree. We're not gonna do it either way, but still, we're just gonna trim it down because it looks messy. So we're just gonna take the sides down and yeah. So yeah, we'll time lapse this.
Enjoy.
Go on. Alright guys, we've trimmed the tree and we've also separated the sticks from the leaves over there. But
For the campfire.
basically, yeah, I hope it doesn't rain. Probably is, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna probably rain. But yeah, we've broomed the thing as well. It looks a bit messy, I'm not gonna lie, because we can't reach for the top ones up there because we don't have a ladder or anything, and there's bugs on the sides. So that's probably gonna have to wait another day. But anyways, let me just go there as well. So as you can see, sticks over there. All the leaves. Doesn't look like much, but it is. And then tree. We're trying to reach up there because it looks messy, but yeah. Now there's like a lot of free space up here because before, if there was something underneath there, we'd have to go in and like get it. But now this is all open, and yeah. Now we've removed. There was so much stuff there before, but I've removed it and done that. The tomatoes have grown so much, but yeah. Remove all that. We've also taken out the stuff over here, like in the corners. Sorry if I'm speaking quietly. I'm very tired. Haven't eaten anything since the morning. But yeah, let me show you the tomatoes. So this is one of the tomato plants. This one's not bearing any tomatoes yet. This is a newer one.
Is it all small?
This one's also small. Pretty much. There are some stuff in here like chili plants and stuff. But yeah, this one a bit older, so it is bearing some. Look, as you can see. Wait. Look at that, man. That looks so satisfying. These ones have grown so much. Like they're basically ready. But yeah, because look at my hand. My hand compared to them. That is big. We have no idea what this is, but I did just like throw a lot of papaya seeds. So I'm pretty sure that's that. So yeah, now I have it in the tripod, so I'm holding it a bit like thing. But oh my god, there's so much bugs. The tripod's now dirty because I've touched it with my dirty hands. Yeah, we cut those up, those ones up there. We're gonna trim these on the day of the campfire, I think. Wait, look at this contraption. Extension cord that goes inside, comes out like here, and then the charger just here. Yeah, I just like spending a lot of time in the garden for some reason since when I was younger, but we didn't get to come outside because you know, unfortunate stuff. But yeah. Oh yeah, let me just go check, because look at the antenna up there. The antenna up there. Oh, can't point. That we're trying to like link it to our TV, but my dad was like, I think they ripped it up. Like, they ripped it off. You can't. No way! I just clocked. Okay, I've just realized the wire for the thing. We do have it. Okay, let's just hope that it doesn't rain, so that they can dry up. And yeah, we would take them into the tent, but the tent is kind of actually. Whoa! What? This looks so. That's so weird. In the camera, it looks different, but yeah, it looks like it's not full. Like we just put stuff out, but it's actually kind of cramped. Not gonna lie. Yeah. So we see inside, I guess.
So guys, that was a failure. You guys don't know what happened was. Remember when I said that I was meant to take one screw out from the bottom and open it that way? I went full barbaric and it broke. Well, I was trying to press it down because it was like lifting up, and then I damaged the screen. So the screen is like gone now. Like when I turn it on, look at this. Look at that. It's cracked. The sound still works and nothing. Look. Obviously this doesn't work. Oh yeah. So I've ordered a new LCD screen. I don't know when that's gonna come. But yeah, sucks. I have to pay extra £13 for the screen alone. But if I'm so, I don't know, man. So that's like what, £16 plus the packaging, because of the packaging, and £4 for the actual, £5 for the actual thing, the D-pad thing, conductive. I don't know what it's called, membrane, something like that. So £20 gone. So around £20 gone. I'm not happy, but at least I tried. Now I know how the PSP works. But yeah, I've no idea. It didn't say when it's gonna. It doesn't say when it's gonna come. It says it will be shipped within 10 days, 23 hours, and 56 minutes. When I was ordering, it said within 52 days. But okay, hopefully comes as. Hopefully I can get this over and done with, because I would just lose interest and not do it. But yeah. Kajeevan and I'm like working hard in the garden. I feel sad, both because I couldn't help out and two because of this PSP thing. But yeah, today's kind of a failure. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Okay guys, welcome back. So what is today? It's the 28th of August. I know I look different, but yeah, it's the 28th of August. I don't know if this is a separate video or if it's the ending to that other video, the PSP video, recurring one. Either way, both the packages arrived. I mean, the one I ordered from eBay, was it? The I don't know what it's called. What is it? The D-pad, the keypad thing. The keypad, I don't know. What is it? Flex button, something like that. I don't know. That electric thing. That arrived ages ago. Karthikan blur this. It arrived ages ago. It arrived on 10th of August because it arrived on my results day. You might see it on another video. I've mentioned it. And this arrived today, and this is the screen. So we're gonna be doing that today, finishing everything off. Yeah. I messaged the guy who sells the screens, and he said it'll come in 20 days. I messaged him like 3 days ago, so it's pretty much 17 days. But it arrived today, so yeah. Happy about that. Finally get to play the PSP. Hopefully, if I break it, I'm gonna be so angry if I break it again. But yeah, guys, let's get back into it. And yeah, by the way, I haven't cleaned it since. When did I do it? 4th of August was when I broke the screen and when I ordered the stuff. And now it's 28th, so 24 days later, I'm doing it. But yeah, I really hope I didn't break that. But yeah, let's get back into it. And because it's 4th of August, I haven't cleaned it since. So there's dust in it, which I need to clean off. And also, I just showered right now, so my nails look a bit weird. Just excuse that. And by the way, guys, you can probably tell I look weird. Not look weird, I sound weird. Because I got my COVID vaccine, my first dose. Man, oh, it actually felt like I had corona flashbacks. By the way, if you don't know, we had COVID. And after taking an injection, I legit had trauma from that. Legit, I literally, the night of when I put the vaccination on, I started vomiting, I felt nauseous. I shivered. I never thought that would happen I knew it, but with COVID, not most people, like some people would shiver, and I was like, that doesn't sound that bad. I had shivers when I was, and it's hard to explain. I was fully like covered in the blankets. I wasn't squeezing myself because if I squeezed, my injection site would have got squeezed or anything. So I was like fully covered, but I was still shivering. Anyway, I'm getting off topic, but yeah. Just if I sound weird, if I act weird, it's because I'm still a bit like, what's going on? But yeah. So here is a PSP. We got to here and to clean up the dust and everything. I don't know why I said like that, but yeah, to clean dust stuff you probably can't see on camera. But yeah, ignore the mess. You know, I like kind of tidied everything up and like changed the place for the laptop and computer and everything. You can probably tell, look, the piano's there. I don't know if you can see the piano's there. And I'm cleaning that. I'm gonna be playing music in the background, so yeah, I might forget to pause it when I'm talking. But yeah, let's get into it. Ah, this hurts, man. What dumb design is this, man? You know what? Let's first put the screen. I was thinking of putting the this thing on, this electric thing on, the new one, and then putting the screen on. But I have a feeling we're about to do this one first, the screen first, and then the thing. Because if I want to test out how that works, if I want to test out if that works, I need to press X, and I can't see the screen. I kind of ruin the experience. So I'm planning on putting this first. Let's see how to open this. That's the question. On top of the thing. Mom, get the camera. There he is. They did well with packaging. It would never get broken. I nearly damaged it. I have no idea, man. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing here.
I'm no leader. I'm a goddamn parkour instructor.
The new one.
If the tab falls back, be sure to lift it up.
He made it look easy, but let's give it a go then.
Bro, this looks like one of those scenes like, you know, when they're doing like some hacking stuff and they're putting bugs inside stuff. You just see all the gadgets go out. This is the next scene.
There's like a number on it. What the hell? This is some Japanese stuff. Guys, I think I got it. I think thanks to Mr. Weaver. Let me shout out all these people. As if I'm a big YouTuber, I'm just saying. So Chiliad Chief for fixing. I'm pretty sure the guy will work out for the thing, for this bonus thing. Steven Ramo for the cracked PSP thing, the screen thing, how to like his main thing. But this guy, Mr. Weaverface, he helped me how to like put in these two things. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. Please do work. Why isn't it working? Ooh, okay. Please don't electrocute me. Yeah! Get in, lads! Get in! Get in! I don't like that. I don't know what that says. But yeah, there's like this thing on here. I don't know how to get rid of that. I might have to deal with that. See the battery out. It works, boys. Basically, I'm a watch mechanic. I have no idea, man. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing here. But boys, it works. I'm more than a Sajidan. But look at that. It says upside down. Look, upside down. It says something. It says 05 and something else in Japanese. I'm not to deal with it. I can't scratch the screen and just try to get it off. So now we're gonna do the buttons thing. Let's first open this. There it is. Flex cable, that's what it's called. I needed this part. I ordered both just in case. I don't know. Oh, good. I ordered this as well. I didn't see that. So just in case this is damaged, I can just use this one here. Question is, how do you unlock that, man? You just pull it out. Oh, you do. I don't know if I damaged it. Oh man, I'm such a bad mechanic, man. Basically, I'm a watch mechanic.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
Half an hour.
It is the 25th of September. I don't know when the last clip was. Hopefully this is the final clip of the video, as in like final day. This came, the power circuit thing, because I think that's what messed up. This is what I ordered.
Did Jay come out yet?
What?
Jay then?
For what?
Doctor.
Oh no. Get in, lads! Look! Bro, I am so proud of myself. I don't care about 3 A's. I don't care if I went to NCS. I fixed up childhood dream, bro. And guess what, guys? The battery's there. Come top. That's how happy I am. Let's see. Okay, this doesn't work. Oh. Let's watch the details. Wait. What? The thing doesn't work.
Nice.
At least I didn't know that the PSP still works. That's what I wanted to know. I thought I damaged it. Oh, that sucks, man. The D-pad still doesn't work after all that. Wait, did you put on green? Okay.
It's fake.
I'm gonna pass out. Okay. I'm pretty sure it'll work. Hey, what? I don't want to be here. What's going on? Why is GTA Vice City on?
Saved it too early.
Let's see though. Memory unlocked. Oh, you sexy little beast. Memory unlocked.
அரு மச பண்ணிக்கிட்டா நானே 6 மாசமா அப்படியே பண்ணிருந்தா அதெல்லாம் எரியுமே உங்களுக்கு ஐடி
Ready? Okay, I was expecting Tupac. I put Tupac first. But yeah, guys, I am so happy. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I know I made most of the video, but yeah, no, I'm gonna put this into the wrong when you king the gun between the vacuuming the stairs. Yeah, that's how I started this vlog. So guys, they had a little part in it. One of the main part. I was thinking, I put it on work. I put it to buy like whole new PSP. And lo and behold, yeah. But yeah, I'm so happy. You know. And his birthday party today as well. I know why. So yes, Doctor released as well. Doctor trailer release. We'll react to that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. This video is recorded in the span of 2 months, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. You can probably see our transformation. We look different. Hopefully.
More transformation. I meant mass change.
Yeah, thanks for watching the video and see you in another one. Like, subscribe.